Hello everyone, welcome to Sneha Videos. This video is for 10th class, chapter 1 real numbers, and in this video we are going to learn exercise 1.5 based on logarithms and only the question number 5. I'll give you one example as well as fifth question which is very important. These problems will be for 4 marks. Okay, so you please follow these problems because this is 4 marks question and I gave one own example. If you understand that example, you can easily solve the exercise problem. So here is your example. If x square plus y square equal to 27xy, prove that 2 log x minus y equal to 2 log 5 plus log x plus log 5 log y, sorry. So here please don't confuse. You should, here he asks you to prove that, means this is your answer. Whenever prove that or show that is given, he will give you the answer. Okay, this answer you should show. Okay, now here if you observe carefully, it is log in terms of log, but in the given data he didn't give log. Okay, so later we can do with log. Next, here he gave x minus y and 5xy. If you observe carefully, here before log there is one number, means our property should be it is under power, right? X minus y whole square, because our log m base a equals to m log a, right? This is our formula. So how we got this m here? Whenever it is in power, so this 2 will be in power here, means it is x minus y whole square. This is very important. You should see this one only first. Okay, x minus y whole square. Now if you see here also log 5, this 2 will be sent to this power as power, so it is log 5 square, right? This log x and log y will be written as it is. So this is what first you should do in the rough work, so that you can easily know how to do this problem. Okay, so here we got a hint that x minus y whole square, it is x minus y whole square, means here we have a square plus b square form, means x square plus y square. Our formula of x minus y whole square is a square plus b square minus 2xy. X square plus y square minus 2xy. So here we want minus 2xy extra. Okay. So we cannot do only 2x minus 2xy on one side. So for that we should do on both sides. If you do on both sides and if you solve it, you will get this one. Clear? So let us start the problem. So he gave the data x square plus y square equal to 27 xy. So he asked you to prove this. So I'll take the given data first. X square plus y square equal to 27 xy. Here we got a hint that this 2 should be sent as a power, right? Means we want x minus y whole square. So to get x minus y whole square, we have the formula x minus y whole square equal to x square minus 2xy plus y square. Okay, so here minus 2xy. So we don't have here minus 2xy. So to take minus 2xy on this side, we should take on this side also, right? So we will do subtract 2xy on both sides. Minus 2xy on both sides or subtract 2xy on both sides is same only. Okay, so I will do minus 2xy on both sides. So your next step will be, so your next step will be like this. X square, the same step I wrote here because I took the next slide. So here minus 2xy, this can be written as now x square minus minus 2xy plus y square, right? And this can be solved, right? Because here it is xy, here it is xy. These two are like terms, right? Whenever like terms are there, we can solve them. So 27xy minus 2xy is 25xy. So I can write like this 25xy. Now we got the formula like x minus y whole square. Now here instead of this one, I can write x minus y whole square. Okay, so x minus y whole square equal to 25xy. So till here it is very important. Just don't forget, don't bother about this, don't confuse. Just see whatever he asked in the question, prove that. What he asked, 2 log x minus y, right? 2 log x minus y. Whenever it is log x minus y, you should take minus 2xy on both sides. If it is x plus y, you should take plus 2xy on both sides. Means you should add 2xy on both sides. Whereas if it is x minus y, you should subtract 2xy on both sides. That is the only thing you should remember here. See in the question, if it is in x minus y, you do x minus 2xy on both sides. If it is x plus y, you do plus 2xy on both sides. Okay. So now I got whatever I want here, x minus y whole square. The other thing we want here is log. So take log on both sides. Okay, so log will be taken on both sides in this way. Log x minus y whole square equal to log 25xy. Okay, so here we can use this formula now because 2 is there as power, so 2 will be sent front. Okay, then only we will get 2 log x minus y whatever is there in the question. Okay, we have this only in the question, right? So for that one we should send this 2 here by using the formula m log a formula. Okay, and here if you see, it is under multiplication, 25 into x into y. These three are under multiplication. So who is the friend of multiplication? In logarithm it is plus. So take this formula and put here. Okay, multiplication friend is plus here. So separate the log and put the plus in between them. Okay, and m log a. Okay, we will do in the next step. So this will be written like this, log x 25 plus log x plus log y. Okay, now this 25 again I can write as 5 square, right? Because in the given question he didn't ask you to prove it as 25. He asked like 2 log 5, right? 2 log 5 when you will get when this 2 is in power. So I'll write this 25 as 5 square. 25 can be written as 5 square. Then I can send this 2 here. Clear? So log 5 square plus log x plus log y. Why we are doing this one? Because in the question he gave 2 log 5, not log 25. He gave 2 log 5. For that one, instead of 25 I can write 5 square. Then I can shift this 2 here by using the property m log a. Okay, the power will be sent front. Okay, for the properties please follow the link in the description. So this 2 will be given to the front. So 2 log 5 plus log x plus log y. So this is what he asked. 2 log x minus y equal to 2 log 5 plus log x plus log y. The only thing you should do is first see in the question whether it is x minus y or x plus y. If it is x minus y, you do x minus y whole square. Okay, to get x minus y whole square, you should subtract 2xy on both sides. This is the only thing you should remember in the start. If you remember this, the entire problem will be continuation of this one. Okay, so we proved 2 log x minus y equal to 2 log 5 plus log x plus log y. Okay, so this is 4 marks problem. It's very simple. Just see in the question whether it is x minus y or x plus y and do squaring on both sides. Sorry, do minus 2xy or plus 2xy depending on the question. If it is minus, you should do minus 2xy. If it is plus, you do plus 2xy. Okay, and take log on both sides and give this power to the front, and here whatever is there 25 or whatever number other number he give, that you write in terms of power, because in the question if it is given in this way you convert into power. If it is given just like 25, you can write log 25 directly. Okay, so we have seen in x minus y. Now we'll go through our exercise problem, which is x plus y. Okay, so this is your exercise problem. X square plus y square equal to 25xy. Then prove that 2 log x plus y. So here if you see, it is x plus y. So whenever it is x plus y, here he gave 2. 2 means you should do whole square. If it is 3, suppose he gave 3 log x plus y. Suppose in the question he gave 3 log x plus y. This 3 should be sent as power, no? Means it is x plus y whole cube. Okay, so if it is given in this way, this should be x plus y whole cube. So take x plus y whole cube formula. Okay, so here it is x plus y. So x plus y whole square. Plus means you should add 2xy on both sides. That's it, simple. Okay, so the given data is x square plus y square equal 25xy, and he asks you to prove this one. Okay, so I'll take the given data, whatever is there. Here I'll see the question whether it is in x plus y or x minus y. Here it is x plus y, so I'll do plus 2xy on both sides because my formula is x plus y whole square equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. So I'll add 2xy on both sides. Okay, so x square plus y square plus 2xy and 25xy plus 2xy. Okay, so the continuation of this problem is given in the next slide. So here I took the same step, plus 2xy, here plus 2xy. Okay, now it can be written as x plus y whole square, right? So x plus y whole square equal to 25 plus 2 is 27xy. Okay, now we got till here, this is finished. Now our aim is to take logarithm on both sides, right? So take logarithm on both sides. Now give logarithm to both of them. Here power is there, so power to be sent front, and here 27 is separated, x should be separated, y should be separated, because our formula is xy log xy equal to log x plus log y. In between you should take plus. Okay, so I'll take this 3 logs log 27 plus log x plus log y. Okay, now here in the question he gave 3 log 3, right? 3 log 3. He didn't ask log 27. If he asks log 27, you can leave it like this. Or if he asks like this, this 3 should be sent here because our formula is a log a power m formula. So 3 cube, because 27 is 3 cube. Okay, now I can write, instead of 27, I can write 3 cube. Okay, now here I can send the power here because our formula is log m base a equal to m log a. Okay, so these 3 should be sent, friends. So I'll get the step in this way. So 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. Here 2 log x plus y. So as he asked x plus y, we took x plus y whole square. For that we added 2xy on both sides. Okay, you come in the reverse by seeing the question what he asked. Okay, so our problem is 2 log x plus y equal to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. Okay, so simple thing, see the question, if it is x plus y, you do x plus y whole square. 2 log x plus y means, if it is 2 log x minus y, do x minus y whole square. Okay, so for that, if for this one add 2xy on both sides, for this one you subtract 2xy on both sides. Okay, after that take logarithm and see this, whatever number is there, that one you do prime factorization, so that you will get 2 square, 3 cube, whatever it is, and give in your answer. Okay, so the next problems, whatever in the problems in this exercise are given in the description, so please follow them for the clear explanation. So I hope you understood this video. If you understand this, please take the problems by your own. Okay, take some problems and do without seeing, so that you will be perfect. You can solve any 4-mark problems given in this way. Okay, so please share and subscribe my channel if you like this video, and thank you.